Hi friends, it's Nathan. So I'm on my way to IKEA right now and I thought it'd be the perfect opportunity to bring you along with me and do an IKEA shop with me / IKEA haul because I recently started renovating my bedroom and I haven't finished it, so I need to get a lot of supplies, a lot of decorative elements, a lot of functional pieces. Super excited to bring you along with me, so I hope you enjoy this IKEA video. This is the progress so far, so I think you can see I'm trying to assemble. We got some pillows and some throw blankets. It's gonna make for a comfy bed. I just saw this bookshelf and it really reminded me that I needed to do my bookshelf. So I love that this looks so clean and white, but then my bookshelf is more dark and gray and brown. So I'm gonna see what would go well with that set. But this is really good inspiration. I'm thinking of putting some plants in. These are really cool too, but they're a little bit pricey. I feel like I could get it cheaper somewhere else. And books, I need to get books. When you randomly come up with an idea, so you have to walk back to the beginning of IKEA to get your item, I'm gonna think of adding some greenery to my bookshelf, like adding a plant. It could look really good with like a dark bookshelf. After literally searching for 10 minutes, I finally found two of the prettiest ones, and I'm gonna take these. I'm that person. Guys, I've been trying to find a new desk chair because my chair is so uncomfortable. All of these are like super hard. It's gonna hurt. You guys know I studied for a long time, so these would not work. I would need something with like support, but then I think normal desk chairs are kind of ugly. I may have spoke too soon. So this chair, it's a full-on swivel leather chair and it's only 80 bucks. However, the white I'm not really vibing with. I'm gonna see there's a different color of this. Guys, I found a black one and I'm just doing a little swivel. Okay, I'm a little dizzy now. But like, this could be a really good option. Simple, sleek, elegant. Could be the one. Guys, I've always had this dilemma of I don't know what to put right above my bed. So I have a really big open space. Like, this is exactly like what my room kind of looks like. I have a window here and a window here. And then I have just a huge open space. I've always thought of putting either like portraits or I can put a circle mirror. Again, just to like emphasize my point, I can either do like a portrait here or I can put like something like a circle mirror. Oh, hi, by the way. And just put it up there. The kids section at IKEA is always the cutest. At the end, always a congratulations, but nowhere when I needed you. This cup may look familiar because I have it at home. Their whole collection is so nice. It's all earth tones. Look at this. This mirror was really the star of the show today. It is the Hovette. Everyone probably already knows it. It's the giant borderless mirror. But bad news, it won't fit in the car because we have 3 people today and it just won't fit. So I'm gonna have to probably get this another time. Goodbye, Hovette mirror. Hi besties, I hope you're enjoying the shopping. I wanted to pop in and tell you about today's sponsor, which is FUM, a Canadian company that makes wooden aromatherapy inhalers. Now, you have seen these on my channel before and I've been using them for the past couple of months and absolutely love it. You probably already know what aromatherapy is, but I guarantee you haven't seen aromatherapy like this before. So how the inhaler works is that you have a core. Now this core contains your essential oils. FUM has your classic lavender and eucalyptus, but they also have really unique flavors that you won't find anywhere else. I've recently been loving Invigorate. Now Invigorate is a sweet mint flavor and it's absolutely great in the morning to wake yourself up. I like to do it before a run or a workout. It's a great energy boost. You're gonna take your core and you're just gonna fray it. Once your core is frayed, you're just going to insert into your inhaler and then just breathe. That was a kick. I absolutely love it. Really just gives me the energy boost that I need if I'm mid through the day. The great thing about these inhalers is that it's smoke-free, vape-free, it's all natural, and it's beneficial for your health and your mood. So that's why I absolutely recommend these, especially for students or anyone that's just dealing with a lot of stress. It's small, compact, and portable, which is great because you can take this wherever you go and enjoy the benefits of aromatherapy anywhere you go. You can check out FUM's website in the description box below and use my code Nathan for 10% off. Thank you, FUM, and let's get back to shopping.
Call you a penny in the freezer 'cause you're two-faced and stone cold. I'm sick of wasting all my time worried about you. It's getting old. I'm done with all these fake friends. I don't have time to pretend that you care about me when you don't. You treat me like I'm less than, so tell all of your new friends how I am the worst. Put on a show. I can't believe I got to write 20.
IKEA shopping is done. I bought so much stuff. I'm sad that I didn't get to buy my mirror, which is like one of the main reasons I had to go today, but it's just because it wouldn't have fit in the car because I'm also in the car and my parents are with me, so it just wouldn't have worked out. So we'll get it another time. But I did grab a lot of other stuff, so it's gonna make for a good haul still. And now we are heading over to McDonald's to grab my iced coffee, and then we're gonna head over to eat Korean corn dogs, which I'm so excited about.
About you, to make you just have a clue, all the shit you put me through. I can't
We're here, so there's obviously a lineup because it's so popular, but I'm so excited.
believe I got to write 20 songs about you, to make you just have a clue, all the shit you put me through. Tell me what you want, tell me what you need.
I'm just gonna eat this in the car here because it's not open inside. So let's give it a taste. It's so saucy and it's so messy, but it smells so good. Okay, first bite. Ooh, it's hot. But so good. Wow. So we have the sausage in there, and then the batter with the ramen noodles that are fried, and then there's a mayo, parmesan, sweet chili. Very good, very saucy, very messy. I see why like everyone gets it. Like this would be so good as like a treat or like after like a night out. Really good. After eating this, I'm gonna probably head back home and get started with some work. This is pretty much the end of my day. For the IKEA haul, make sure you have your post notifications on for that and you don't miss it. But it's gonna be the end of today's vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I know I had a lot of fun at IKEA and I'm really enjoying this right now. So make sure to give it a like because it helps me a lot. Leave a comment down below because I respond to every single comment. And if you want to see more from me, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more day-to-day content. So that's it for me, and I'll see you friends in the next video. Bye.